I'm going on for a little ride. Just gotta hold on to this. Okay, Anna, I'm ready. Ow, it shocked me. Okay. I can't pull it. It's hard to. Oh dear, I'm falling. Oh my god, what was that? Stop. What's going wrong? Okay, Alyssa's doing this little thing on the chair. She's gonna land onto there. Okay, ready, set, go. You suck! Suck! That's how much you suck! Candy is going to have a big surprise. We have these balls here. She's going to be at the bottom of the stairs. Alyssa's not going to be down there though. Candy, stay. Alyssa, come upstairs. Stay. And we're going to throw these balls at her. Stay. Stay. This is like animal abuse. Stay. We're going to call her up? Stay. Yeah. Okay. Stay. 1, 2, 3. Candy, come here. Candy. Oh my god. Hi. No. Wait, hold on. Candy's gonna be at the bottom of the stairs. Shut up and film.